the breakthrough star, Bel Mariano. You started in show business at 9 years old. You were a child star.
Yes.
Bakit ka ba sumali sa showbiz?
Well, ever since po talaga, it has always been my passion to enter show business. Kasi ako po, may pagkabida-bida mo attitude pagdating sa family members ko. Pinari may reunion kami. Usually, ako yung pupunta sa table, magpe-perform, magpapaaliw sa mga titas. Ganun po. So, ever
Ikaw
since-
yun?
Yes po.
Dear,
Ako yung,
hindi ko iisipin.
Kaya nga.
Sa pagkakinggan po niya, hindi ko
Well,
iisipin.
ganun po ako growing up. Tapos, my tito kasi, he was from an agency before. So, sabi niya, why don't you try doing commercials? Tapos sabi ko, oh, so I'm gonna see myself on TV. Tapos sabi ko, yeah. So, I attended so many VTRs, as in almost 100, to the point na parang nawawalan na ako ng hope na.
So,
Like,
nare-reject ka
yes,
noon?
of course,
Oo.
of course. Well, I think it's because coming from experience too, na parang wala pa akong experience when it comes to commercials. So, I think the process, yung lahat ng failures na pinagdaanan ko, lahat ng rejections na pinagdaanan ko, it's what made me who I am now. It's what made me do what I do now. And it made me love my work more.
Kasi more than 100 auditions
Yes.
and you never gave up.
Of course.
Bakit? But at one point, you wanted to.
And sabi ko, is this even worth it? I mean, from the very beginning kasi, my parents were kind of telling me na don't enter showbiz, don't. They were really against me entering showbiz. Pero ako talaga yung every night pinipilit ko to the point na minamasahe ko po yung both ng parents ko para papasukin na lang ako sa show business, pagpayagan na lang ako mag-commercials. Pero, ayun, luckily, when I auditioned for this one commercial, talagang sabi ko, okay, this is the last. If hindi talaga to for me, wag na. And then, I got the commercial, and yun, from there on, nagtuloy-tuloy na po. I think kahit gaano pa kaliit yung role mo, it's very important kapag dating sa project na gagawin. And it's not about the characters. I think it's more of the story and what you communicate to your audience, and what they can learn from.
Anong pinakamahirap na karanasan mo nung nag-uumpisa ka sa showbiz?
Siguro po that time I was doing regular schools kasi, and sa school ko po kasi hindi sila pumapayag na working ka at the same time you're a regular student. So I had to transfer to school. I had to look for another school na suitable yung situation ko, na papayag sila na mag-a-adjust sila sa time ko, flexible sila with my time. At the same time, I can extend sa school. I can still do what a normal student does.
So talagang desidido ka?
Yeah.
Grabe!
Pinangako ko sa'yo na mamahalin kita ng tapat at buong buo. Ngayon, kung hindi yun naging malinaw sa'yo, ulitin ko. Ikaw lang ang mahal ko at ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko.
Nagbago ang buhay mo dahil sa He's Into Her. Ano ang una mong reaksyon nung nakita mo si Donnie? Paano ba kayo nagkakilala?
Actually, we met in a project eh.
Pero sabi mo ba, grabe, ang gwapo naman ito? May ganun ba?
Yes, opo naman.
Kasi alam mo namang bulag ka, dear. Di ba? Ako nga nakita ko recently. Sabi ko, Donnie, my gosh, ganito ka nakagwapo? Kasi kilala ko siya maliit pa.
Yeah nga po eh. Actually, nung una ko siyang na-meet noon, alam, baka hindi naman ako unaman nito. Pero, you know, you're so nice. I remember, naging kakampi ko pa nga siya noon, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos, nakita ko talaga how competitive he is pagdating sa games. So, yan, Donnie. The more I get to know him, the more I can see how he truly is, how genuine he is, and how much he loves what he does, and how caring he is. It comes through time, and yeah, I'm glad I met him.
Kilig na kilig. Ang dating. I feel it. How long have you been together? What was the moment? When was the moment?
Para pag together din
How would you describe your relationship?
I enjoy his company now, and I saw his interview, and he's right. We're both in a happy place.
And is this happy place together?
Grabe naman! May tubig po ba tayo? We're enjoying each other's company. That's all I